Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss artificial neurons. It is a basic building block of artificial neural network. Before understanding the concept of artificial neural network, you have to understand the concept of artificial neurons and biological neurons, as artificial neurons work on the concept of biological neurons. So we can say that biological artificial neurons are basically the neurons which are receive one or more inputs and then some or produce some function on it and produce the output. We have two diagrams in our slide. The first one is biological neuron and the second one is artificial neuron. The idea behind perceptron is that it is the precedent part of the artificial neuron, as it is thus possible to mimic the certain part of neurons such as dendrites, which receive the input signals, nucleus, which is the center part of our cell body which process the information, and axons, which is used to communicate the signals from input end to the output end. And there is a part known as synapse, which is used as a connection with other neurons, and it is the way of flow of information. Signals can be received from dendrites, then sent down to the axons. Once enough signals were received, then the outgoing signal can then be used as another input. That means the output of one neuron is worked as an input in next level neurons. Thus some signals are more important than the other one. So in the way of communication method, some signals can be denied or rejected and some may be seized for the action. We can mimic most of the process by coming up with a function that receive a list of weighted input signals, like in our artificial neurons, the input 1, the input 2, input 3 up to input n. When these inputs are collectively reached as a threshold value, then an activation function is applied on that and then the output is generated. And synapse is what? The function between the terminal of a neuron. It may be a gland or muscles over which the nerve impulses are passed on. Our brain contains about 86 million neurons and more than 1,000 trillion synapses for working of our brain. The number of neurons in artificial neural network is much lesser than that. So it is not appropriately exactly mimic the behavior of our biological neuron, because the speed of our biological neurons is much more than that of artificial neuron. Near about if we increase the number of layers or artificial neurons, then does not always yield better result in machine learning tasks. Perceptron just take inputs on their dendrites and generate output on their axons. That, what do you mean by that? That means usually consist of as many inputs as required and as many number of features in the data that must need of our neurons. Manual feature extraction, that means altering data in a way that it can fit to the machine learning algo. It is basically used mainly in nowadays in data mining techniques for data processing or model building, which is also not taken into account when summing up number of neurons required for deep learning algorithms. Now we consider that certain biological neurons can fire around 200 times in a second on average. Can you imagine what a fast speed? That means इतनी तेजी से न्यूरॉन्स आपके फायर होते हैं. फायरिंग का क्या मतलब है कि इनपुट आउटपुट में कन्वर्ट होंगे, कम्युनिकेशन लिंक्स के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट होके एक न्यूरॉन से दूसरे न्यूरॉन टर्मिनल्स पे पहुंचने की स्पीड को कहेंगे. ये जो आपकी सिग्नल ट्रैवलिंग स्पीड है, ये आपकी पर्सन टू पर्सन वेरी करती है, डिपेंड ऑन वेरियस फीचर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल sex, that means whether the person is female or male, age, height, temperature of the environment in which the person live, medical conditions, lack of sleepiness, etc. Power consumption of biological neuron. It is the most widely known topic. That means the brain consume about 20% of all the human body energy. Our machine are much less efficient than biological system, and we are trying our best to mimic the behavior of artificial neuron in the same way as our biological neuron works. So this is all for today. In next lecture we will discuss artificial neural network, which is based on the working of artificial neurons. Thank you so much.